Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Harika. So, firstly, I should say this is the most awaited video. So, I wanted to do this video from so long and I wanted to explore on Clipboard AI from many weeks. So, today, finally, I have got, the access to download Clipboard AI. So, basically, to give a background about this, Clipboard AI is something which is in preview right now. So, which is in the insider preview. So for public, it's not yet into is available, but still you can see what are the capabilities that a Clipboard AI has and how you can make your copy paste automation so easy. Like I'll show you with the most familiar website that we all know as a UiPath developer. Basically, we will try to do a basic automation test on ourselves on this particular website. So we all are familiar with that. In order to do that, we use a lot of things to make sure that the selector is stable and all. But today I'm going to unlock the capabilities of Clipboard AI, how we can do that particular action, which is a copy paste into a particular form very easily and in a smart way. And also I will show you some of the challenges or the limitations, I can say, that I have found with Clipboard AI. So without any ado, let's get into the video. And if you're watching my channel for the first time, I'm Harika. I do videos on UiPath, Robocop, and also ChatGPT recent times in integration with UiPath. So if you find my videos useful, please do give a thumbs up and also let me know what interests you more on my channel in the comments. And also don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell for more such interesting videos. So let's get into the video and I'll show you the whole use case and a demo how I utilized the Clipboard AI in order to perform that task. So let's get into my Excel sheet. So basically here I have my Excel sheet. So we all know this particular rpichallenge.com, right? So we have seen when we are doing web automation, how we will, paste the items, like, how we will type into these particular, fields. And as soon as we hit on submit, this changes. So we want the automation to not break. So we will make sure that we link it with the particular anchor and everything, right? So now I'm going to copy this whole text that's there in my Excel sheet, and I'm going to show you how smartly, by utilizing Clipboard AI, how smartly I am gonna copy this whole text into there, even though if the fields are changing. So is it sounding interesting? Then yes, let's head into the video and see how we can do that easily by using Clipboard AI. So yes, so this is a small use case that I have built it around as soon as I got the link to download, because I was curious about it and I wanted to show you how this all works. But yes, going forward, there are a lot of use cases that I'm going to build, and I'm going to showcase you what are the different capabilities that a Clipboard AI has and how we can unlock all these into our automations to make all these repetitive tasks smart way. Okay, so yes, let's start this because I'm feeling so excited to show you this new feature. So yes, I'm having all these things, and we know about this site. These fields keep on changing all the time, and these labels are not constant at a place. So let's get here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this whole table because I wanted to fill the form with all these details. So I have copied the whole range. Okay, so it will be changing to range, we can see here. So this is basically the desktop app that I was talking about. So yes, as of now it's in the desktop app format. So I'm going to copy this range. Okay, so if you see, it's copying from the Excel, it's analyzing and it's copying. So this is basically so smart. So as the interface is Excel right now, so it is showing paste in Excel, but you will see I'm going to the form now. Let's go to the form. So here I'm in the form now, right? So I'm gonna tell this particular app now to paste it in the form. Okay, so as you see, this Excel has changed to form as soon as I switched the interface, right? So this is so smart to understand where we are and what is the requirement. So I'm going to click on paste in form. It's analyzing the data that it has copied from the range in the Excel, and it's it is asking for the validation. So it's asking for the confirmation that uh you know like this first name is his last name, this company and role in the company, address, phone number, and the email. So I see these are all perfect, so I'm saying paste data. So we can see it's pasting exactly where it has to go. So just ignore the email and all. I have given some gibberish. Okay, so yes, first one is done and it's asking, it's for the next insert. So I'm gonna say submit, and it's for the next insert we can see all the fields have got changed. Like I mean the look and feel of it has got changed. So I'm saying paste the data. So let's see if it pastes right or wrong. So it's trying to match and execute. So yes, last name I've given MDM, phone number is right, and email is perfect. Company name, first name, role in the company, address, HYD. Yes, perfect. This is also perfect. So let's go for the second one. So if you see here, these are the things that it has picked from the Excel, which is the row 3 or 4. And I'm going to submit this. And it is actually previewing the next form. So this is the next form. I'm going to say paste. And it's trying to match and see. So this is perfect, right? We have done a lot of things around, like matching the labels, giving the anchors and everything, right? So this is way more beyond that what all we are doing. That's why I have said in the thumbnail that it's a copy paste intelligently, right? It has some intelligence through which it is copying and pasting. So yes, we can see address New York, role is chef, email ID perfect, company name Central Park, and phone number, last name, and the first name Monica Geller, right? So this is also perfect. So let's go for the last entry and see if it's gonna paste it right. So I'm saying paste. So it has to paste the data here. It's executing. Green, correct. Address New York City. First name Rachel. Company name Rolf Lauren. Role in the company is the designer. Phone number and the email. So it's perfect, perfect. I'm super happy with this. But I have seen one small glitch over here. So what is that? I will show you. So I'm gonna submit. So let's say if the form is in this way, and if it couldn't see any of the field, obviously it is not in the scope, right? So I am not sure if it's a bug or not, but what I feel is if let's say address is not visible here, and if I am saying it to identify, so let's say I'm going to pick only one field and say copy range, and let's go over here and so let's say if the form is like this, if the view is not so clearly visible, then in that case, if I say paste in form, so it is not able to identify that field which is not available, and that particular field is missing over here. So that's what I have observed. And when I say paste data, the first name is not printed, right? So let's see. Apart from that, the rest ones are brilliantly captured and being pasted. The first name, which is not cannot be seen by the app, it's not being captured. So that's what my observation is while exploring about this tool. So in the next video, I'm going to show you a lot more things. So this is just a small use case that you can see how copy paste can be done intelligently and can be we can reduce a lot of things. This is a use case that I have worked because this is the site which is every RPA developer is familiar with. If at all you wanted to start your career with we started with web UI automation, and this is a place where we work a lot for improving our areas around selectors, right? So yes, that's why I have picked this, and you can everyone can relate it with. So yeah, that's what my video on Clipboard AI, which is the first one. And if you wanted to know more about these things, do let me know in the comments. And also I would love to hear your thoughts on this, how you feel about it, this new feature and all. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.